Hey guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will review on Mi 10i. Please like this video, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. The Mi 10i promises some impressive specifications for under 25,000 rupees. Xiaomi has surprisingly slowed down over the past year in terms of smartphone launches. Third, of course, the events of 2020 threw a lot of things out of greater for everyone. Will there have been fewer new models in the fast moving sub 50,000 15,000 space than expected? The company revitalized its premium MI lineup with the ambitious Mi 10 and Mi 10T models priced ranging from around 35,000 rupees to 45,000 rupees. According to the company, it had also planned to launch another model called the Mi 10i, but it got delayed. No, Xiaomi says ready ready to complete the family. The Mi 10i comes in at a lower starting price of just 20,999 rupees, but still features a 108 megapixel camera and 5G connectivity, which are supposedly the hallmarks of the Mi 10 series. Xiaomi tells us that the I stands for India because this model has been customized specially for our market. That might be a bit of a stretch since there are only minor differences between these devices and the units sold as the Mi 10T Lite and Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G in our markets. It's immediately clear that Xiaomi want to put its stamp on the sub 25,000 space here, and the Mi 10i is going to have to take on some heavy hitters, including the popular OnePlus Nerd, Samsung Galaxy M51, and Vivo V20. The camera specifications alone are sure to grab some attention, but I am going to examine the entire package. Here is my full review of the Xiaomi Mi 10i. Mi 10i price in India and variants. The base price of the Mi 10i in India is 20,999 rupees, and you get 6 GB of RAM plus 64 of storage. This variant is not currently listed for sale and will be available later. Orderly, you can get the same phone with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage for 21,999 rupees, which is just 1,000 more, making the base variant seems quite pointless. If you want to step up to 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, you can choose the third variant, which is priced at 23,999 rupees. Xiaomi has managed to undercut the OnePlus Nord but does not offer an option which with 256 GB of storage, which is little disappointing, especially considering that you will lose the space for a second nano SIM if you choose use a micro SD card. With such minor price differences, many people will choose the top and choose the top and variants. Mi 10i designs despite its name. The new Mi 10i has very little family resemblance to the Mi-10i.